Hey guys, to send bulk emails in Apollo.io, first link your email mailbox in the settings. Hey guys, to send bulk emails in Apollo.io, first link your email mailbox in the left-hand menu, right? So go ahead to the emails right here, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and you're gonna see like a link mailbox, right? If you haven't already. You can see right here, manage mailbox, right? And you can see that I already used Gmail for this step, okay? So if you want to add a new one, just go ahead and hit add at the top right, hit connect, and just go and select Google or Outlook or whatever, right? So in my case, I already extended my free trial, so I already linked it. If you do, right, you want to go to the search at the top, search a contact, okay, and find a list of contacts you want to email. So let's say David Baga, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and add this person to my contact list. So not the sequence. Let's say, yeah, contact list. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add David to that list. All right. So once you add this person to your contact list, we're gonna go ahead to the sequence, right? To automate your email to that person or many persons, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit create sequence, and I'm gonna hit from scratch and into the sequence name, automated email, let's say, okay? And the schedule should be like normal business days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And hit create right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just add the person now, right? You can see in the contacts that you added David, right? So we're gonna add David to that automated list, okay? If you want to check if David's still there, you can see right that I added David there, okay? Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take his email, right? And go ahead to the sequence and start building up the automated system, right? Like Monday till Tuesday, right? Should be like a sales review, right? Wednesday should be a call, right? Weekly call, and so forth. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.